It's tapas time in Britomart.
Hey guys, welcome to Indochine Kitchen. I'm Lavina, manager here at a very beautiful Vietnamese Tapas style food bar. So here we sell a kind of sharing food which is really good for a family, friends or a get together, anything you want to do, as we all know that we nowadays getting so busy at work that we don't get time to share the feelings, the food and everything. So yes, this is a really nice option where you guys can come and share the food. So we have got a food serving here. It's from the north of Vietnam, so it's really nice and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.
This place is like a fantasy land of fresh tastes. Come on down and try it out for yourself. See you next time.